Welcome to the engineering summary update for the sprint ending on March 14th, 2022. So this sprint, we had some miscellaneous tasks. We worked on CRM, Getflows, forms and workflows. So for miscellaneous tasks, we added a little more colors to the application to make it look much nicer and much more professional. And it works. And it worked. We also added navigational UI improvements such as hover states and, of course, more colors. Campaign screen improvement also. We wanted to clean up the jest log and improve the logo display quality and remove all medium vulnerabilities. But sadly enough, we didn't have time to get to that, to get to those topics. We worked on CRM, and we wanted to work on public forms and planning the use of campaigns for lead management. We did not work on those topics as we decided to reprioritize on importing the lead data and a new timeline functionality, as well as writing in additional tests and UI improvements of the interface. For Getflows, we added the ability to send a one-time password link for invitation and the ability to edit the invitation ability for cards. The statistics on dashboard is now a thing as for the get access. And for forms and workflows, we added a whole new comment reply feature, which is wonderful, and the ability to show an upload progress for document. We also added a UI improvement, a few improvements on the task detail page, and we are also showing the activity logs on the process detail page. We worked on, but it was not planned, to update it. We added updated consultant permissions and additional statistics on the processes dashboard. Next sprint. Next sprint is a little light as we are waiting for additional work from Tilisi and also from EECD. But for Getflow, we will be adding a new filter on the visit view and additional statistics on the logbook. For miscellaneous tasks, we will finally improve the logo display quality and remove all medium vulnerabilities, as well as adding a new marketing role, new campaign screen designs, and a welcome SMS in addition to email. We want to finish the jest log to 200. It is one of our quarterly goals, so we have to do this. And we have two SPAC tickets. One of them is investigating how to set up Hotjar in the application, and the other one is how can we do real-time streaming with camera. For CRM, we want to add public forms for lead acquisition and plan the campaign use for lead management. Those are topics that we wanted to work on this sprint that we didn't had the chance to. For forms and workflows, we want to add additional dashboard statistics and add a new document tab at the main task level, as well as UI improvement on the task detail page. For OKRs, one of the most notable thing is the fact that we for the improvement of security, we do have now fewer than 2 or high non-critical vulnerabilities, and we have 5 medium, low, or others non-vulnerabilities. We also documented the process to resolve security issues, and it is in the handbook. So this sprint has been one of the most productive sprints we had in a long time. In fact, if not the most productive sprint, we had 52 merge requests, which is a 40% improvement from the previous sprint. We also had 76 issues in the sprint, but we completed only 61, still a 32% increase from the previous sprint. For code coverage, we almost increased our code coverage by 1%, which makes it very, very close to 80%. We fixed 3 cringy issues, and we have 10 remaining. We also have 5 vulnerability remaining, which are medium and lower. We have completed comments, and we are now waiting for feedback from Tilisi. And next sprint, there will be a new matrix, which will be the accumulated weight per sprint. As for goal versus actual, as you can see, we are getting very close for code coverage to meet our coverage goal of 80%. And for the merge request, we were supposed to have 28 merge requests as we have 7 engineers working on the project, and we had 52 merge requests this sprint. In terms of issues, we also completed 61 merge requests, 61 issues. I reduced the number of our security goals to 5 instead of 10, and we are right at 5. So that's very good. Thank you very much, and I will talk to you next sprint.